VARK is an acronym for the 4 different ways that people learn. So V stands for visual. These are the people that need to see things to learn. Then you have A, which stands for auditory. They need to hear it. R stands for reading and writing. So these are those people that need to physically write something down to remember it. And then K stands for kinesthetic. So these are the people that need to get in there. They need to touch. They need to actually learn by doing. Now, research shows that you actually need 2 of these to have an effective learning experience, or you need 1 plus some type of emotional experience. Now, the reason why I like visual selling or communication is that it actually engages all 4. So it's visual through the icons, it's auditory, I need to understand what I'm going to take down. Reading and writing and kinesthetic is pretty straightforward. So if you're looking for ways that you can amplify your own learning experience as well as your audience's, then visual communication may be a skill that you want to build.